Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to Lincoln Navigators made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now, all the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger compartment next to the passenger's right foot, just behind this cover. But first you want to remove this cover by pulling it towards yourself here. And then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Now, on top of the cover, as you can see, you have a small fuse diagram which you can use to locate any of the fuses. To remove this cover, you'll have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them together and pull towards yourself. On the inside of the cover, you also have a small fuse puller. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 1, which is in the top left corner, and it's a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to driver's side power window. Fuse number 4, it's also a 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to passenger side power window. Then one more fuse worth checking, it's a fuse number 41, which is a 15 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to all of the power windows. And you always want to make sure to check the 30 amp circuit breaker, which is located right here. Okay, now hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to look at the power window switches, possible motor issue or the wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.